I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. We are going to be trying two new palettes today from one of my favorite affordable makeup brands, and that is BH Cosmetics. You guys know I have really been on the BH Cosmetics train these last few months. They've just been releasing some really standout palettes, brushes, you name it, guys, you can find it at BH Cosmetics. One thing or two new things that I saw pop up this past weekend on the Ulta Beauty website, because you can pick up BH Cosmetics at Ulta, were these holiday palettes. So you guys know I had to pick them up. This is the Naughty palette, which why is it bigger than the Nice palette? I honestly wasn't expecting the Nice palette to be this small, but here they are. I'm going to be taking you through each of these palettes. I'm going to be creating one look using each palette. And if you want to see more looks from me in the future using these palettes, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to create more looks for you guys. And I probably will, but I would probably reserve them for my Instagram. So if you're not following me yet on Instagram, I highly encourage you to do so. From time to time, I do post quick little makeup tutorials on there, and I use all of the palettes that you see me use here on my YouTube channel. I do go more in depth, or not more in depth, but I use them more often over there on my Instagram, and I post pictures, makeup updates, all that good stuff. So definitely follow me on Instagram at Steff's Beauty Stash. But let's dive in to this new holiday collection from BH Cosmetics. So let's start with the Naughty palette. This is a 30 pan eyeshadow palette that retails for $29 on the Ulta Beauty website, and it's big. It is a big palette. And then you open it up, and I didn't take the plastic off because I wanted to show you guys how well this was wrapped. I mean, there is a plastic that goes all around it to ensure that the shadows are protected in shipping, and nothing was wrong with any of the shadows when they arrived yesterday. So that's why I didn't remove this yet. I wanted to show you how well it came packaged in case you are considering this as a gift and maybe you're going to be sending it to somebody who doesn't live close to you. Just know they package it really well. So here are the 30 gorgeous eyeshadow shades in this BH Cosmetics. Actually, it's called Ho Ho Holidays Naughty Palette. That's what I'm reading here on the back. I thought it was just called the Naughty Palette, but it's Ho Ho Holidays Naughty Palette. You can see that it's a very warm-toned color story, but I like the nice mixture of mattes and shimmers. I don't believe there are any, actually this one might be a pressed glitter. I haven't swatched it yet. And now that I'm looking at it more closely, I think we could have Jingle Bells as a pressed glitter. And then this one down here, which is Candied Fruit, this purple, kind of looks like it might be a pressed glitter. And so does this one, which is Chestnuts. And guys, I don't mind pressed glitter from time to time. I actually used to be really into pressed glitters, but I don't know, these last few months, they've been kind of getting on my nerves, just because like I'll have that one little piece of glitter that just sits right here in one of my pores, and I have large pores to begin with, and I can never get it out. And it's just there all day, just spotlighting my pores. So I don't know. I'm just kind of, you know, not really into pressed glitters at the moment. I am really into amazing shimmer formulas and duochromes, all of that. And guys, look at the tones in this palette. You have everything you need, from transition shade to a base shade to a dark black. All that. This isn't like the blackest of blacks. It kind of looks like a gray black to me, the shade Coal, but you do have those nice warm tone, toasty, cozy winter shades in here. And easily, guys, this can take you into spring and summer, and who cares that it has snowflakes on it. use it year round. Again, guys, this palette retails for $29 on the Ulta Beauty website. Now let me show you the smaller palette, and this is the Ho Ho Holidays Nice palette. Again, this one comes with that packet, that clear plastic all around it to protect it. So here are the 16 shades that you get in this Ho Ho Nice eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. Now this eyeshadow palette retails for $12 on the Ulta Beauty website. And in here you do get what look like just matte and shimmer shades. I don't see any that could be pressed glitters, but we'll find that out as we go through the palette. But again, a really nice warm tone palette with slightly cooler tones down here on this bottom row, but definitely a nice holiday palette to add to your collection. And just what a nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody who maybe is just getting into makeup, or somebody who's like a really diehard fan of makeup the way I am. These little palettes, guys, are very versatile, and please don't just reserve them for the holidays just because of their packaging. I mean, yes, you're gonna buy them right now during the holiday season, but don't just use them during the holiday season. Definitely, guys, all of the shades in both of the palettes are wearable year round. So guys, I'll be creating 2 looks for y'all using both of these palettes from BH Cosmetics, and then I will give you all my final thoughts on the palettes, what I thought about the quality, the blendability, all of that good stuff. First, you guys know that we do swatches before we do demo. Today is no different. So if you guys want to see how these new BH Cosmetics Ho Ho Holidays Naughty and Nice palettes perform, keep on watching. so these were the two looks I created using the Ho Ho Holidays Naughty and Nice palettes from BH Cosmetics. I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. Guys, this is a duochrome. I thought the purple in the Naughty palette was going to be like a pressed glitter. To me, it looks like a duochrome, and it's this one right here, Candied Fruit. It didn't even feel like a pressed glitter. It felt like a nice shimmer, a really softly pressed shimmer. And to me, I see duochrome. What do you guys see? I see that shift in blue and purple. That's why I went with a purple liquid liner and a light blue liner on the bottom waterline. But I really like it. Okay, let me start first with the Nice palette. So again, this is a 16 pan eyeshadow palette. It's like a mini eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $12 on the Ulta Beauty website. Full mirror again, folds all the way back. Really nice wearable colors, not just for the holidays, all year round. This is more of a predominantly warm tone palette, with the exception of these shades that are down here on the bottom row. But the shades that I use, guys, performed really well. I will say that, and it's not just with these palettes, it's with just all palettes in general, I usually wet my brush whenever I go in with shimmer shades, and I noticed that worked a little bit better with both of these palettes. Just wet your brush for the shimmer shades. It provides more accurate placement, and it does help alleviate some of the fallout. Now, I didn't get any fallout with the matte shades. I got a little bit, I don't know if it was, I think it was with this palette because I used the shade Cider up here. Got a little bit of fallout with Cider, but nothing to where you need to do your eyes first and then the rest of your makeup. I am not that type of person. I like to do my face first. I need to see how my skin is looking, how my base is looking, and then I can feel more comfortable creating an eye look. That's just me. That's just how I do it. But guys, I don't think you're going to have a problem with any of the shades in this palette. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I think it's just a nice, cute little palette to pop in your purse, take with you on the go. Maybe you're going to be able to travel during the holidays. Easy palette to travel with, and I like that it comes with a mirror. So now let's talk about the Naughty palette. This is a 30 pan eyeshadow palette that retails once again for $29 on the Ulta Beauty website. You don't get a mirror in this one. I thought it came with a mirror, but this one does not come with a mirror. I wish it did. Mostly all BH Cosmetics palettes come with mirrors, so that's a little bit strange that this one doesn't. But anyway, you get some really, really nice shades in this palette. Again, more warm tone shades than there are cool tone shades, but I had to use these colors right here. Those are the ones that were just popping out. I used Ho Ho Ho, I used Candied Fruit, I used a little bit of Snow Day, a little bit of Secret Santa, and what else did I use? Oh, and I used the shade Ornaments. So I kind of kept it a little cool toned on this side. And guys, this Candied Fruit color, really, really nice. I think it's a duochrome. Let me swatch Jingle Bells. See, this one kind of feels more like a pressed glitter. Let me put it right here. Yeah, this one's more of a pressed glitter. That Candied Fruit did not feel like this. And actually, this is a different pressed glitter. I think this is a better pressed glitter than some of the other formulas I've worked with. This is like really, really micro fine glitter. That's a really pretty color. I mean, if this is their pressed glitter, this is a really good pressed glitter. And then let me swatch the shade. Let me do this one, Chestnuts, right here. And I usually swatch my eyeshadow palettes before I even sit down and film with them, but I wanted you guys to see the wrapping of it, so that's why I still haven't swatched this yet, even though you guys already saw the swatches, but kind of doing it out of order today. This is also a pressed glitter. That is the shade Chestnuts on top. Really, really nice. Like, this is a very, very microfine pressed glitter formula. So Candied Fruit, not a pressed glitter. It looks like it's just Jingle Bells and Chestnuts that are going to be the pressed glitters. Yeah, the other ones are shimmers. really nice shimmers. That's what I like about BH Cosmetics. They really do a good job with their shimmers. And yeah, Candied Fruit, let me just swatch it again. See, it kind of comes off as maybe it wants to be a pressed glitter, but Candied Fruit is definitely a duochrome. I mean, look, it even looks different on my hand versus on my eye. I don't know. Guys, this was a really nice palette to work with. I think if you were to give this as a gift to anybody, they would absolutely love it and definitely use it year round. So guys, BH Cosmetics, they did it again. They have 2 more winners on their hands with their Ho Ho Holidays Naughty and Nice palettes. I also want to mention, guys, that there's a liquid eyeliner that accompanies this collection. I think it's called the Kohl eyeliner, something like that. I just didn't see it when I was placing my order. And then I also saw on Trend Mood's website that there was a highlighter palette that's going to be released, or it was released with this collection, but I didn't see that on the Ulta Beauty website either. So that might be a bhcosmetics.com exclusive. So definitely check out Ulta because these 2 palettes are in stock right now. The eyeliner is in stock as well, and I've used BH Cosmetics eyeliners in the past and they work really well. And just by the way, I'm using a BH Cosmetics foundation. I'm using the Belgian Waffle bronzing and highlighting palette, and I'm also using the Mimosa blush palette. So I have almost a full face of BH Cosmetics, and that just goes to show you how much I love the brand. I appreciate the brand in bringing us quality, fun products to use, but keeping the price low. I know we are all looking at our budgets right now, especially because of what's going on, and now the holidays are upon us. Guys, these are inexpensive gifts. You can use the Ulta coupon with them as well, and any makeup lover in your life would love to receive these. They're great quality products. So guys, let me know your thoughts on BH Cosmetics, these 2 new palettes that I tried out, the looks I created. What do you guys think? If you want to see more looks with these, if you want me to do some more looks, definitely leave it in the comments down below because I'd love to hear from you guys. And if I can't do them here on YouTube, I will definitely do them over on my Instagram account. So guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.